Happy Sunday to you. I have been cooking, and I said, you know what? I haven't done a clean with me video in a while. So this was a few days ago, and I recorded it and forgot to actually edit it and put it up. So today is the day. I hope you guys enjoy it.
And the snow is falling. It reminds me of the good times, those winters we would spend just you and me. It's been such a long time, but tomorrow's Christmas Day, and I am on my way. I'm coming home for Christmas. Yes, I'm coming home to you. Oh, how much I missed you. Wanna spend this day with you. Yes, I'm coming home to
Finns det några snälla barn här?
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off.
So I got as much done as I'm going to get done today. Still have not gotten to that wall yet, but I rearranged the furniture, took it apart, put the little ottoman thing there, or whatever that is. I moved my Mr. and Mrs. Santa, and I placed them up on the mantle, and I put my poinsettias on the bottom. Straighten that off. I still think I'm going to paint that, even though my husband said he has to rebuild it. I think if I paint it, it'll make it look a lot better. Just got through cleaning the kitchen, mopping the floors, and have to get to the dining area. I did a little bit, but I'm tired. It's 2:30 in the morning. I'm about to get in my bed. Still need a rug for the floor. Still need the wall fixed over here, and I'm thinking about painting the cabinets black, but I don't know yet. I bought the black paint, but I have not decided yet. And the wall we're gonna paint that back a light color gray, or either we're just gonna paint everything white.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe.
I can never repay you for all you are and all you've done for me. I couldn't thank you enough. My worship could never measure how I feel. So I'll be an offering at the potter's wheel. I give you my life. I offer my best, a sacrifice. Whatever you ask, morning and night, and every hour that shall pass, it's yours to have and hold, to mold and shape. Lord, fill this place. So fill this place.